Ho ho ho, welcome back to my channel. So, believe it or not, I've never picked my perm before besides using that like finger thingy-majiggy-googalogala. So today we're gonna be doing picking my hair. Just grab this random one. We're gonna try a goody total texture pick comb. I hope this like side handle works okay, but we will see if I can get it out. This is what this brush looks like. It's kind of like textury. So we're just gonna go at it. I'm gonna start. My research said to start at the root. Okay. Yeah, get that? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna do this top section first, just so we can see if it made a difference. I already think it already looks more poofy, honestly. Oh yeah. I had to pull out a little bit more than normal because I have about 1.5 inches of new growth already. I don't think it's gonna get too poofy because I have short hair, but okay, as you can see, I did this side and not this side. Look how round it is. It looks longer too. Okay, let's do this side. So cute. Okay. Okay, I think I picked it out enough to my liking. I'm going to take a tiny bit of oil and just like, I'm not going to like scrunch or anything, I'm just going to go. Ooh. Okay, here's what it looks like. It looks so freaking cute. It looks like a little poofy And the back, it almost completely covered all my new growth. It's mostly just like right here. So, I'm a big fan actually of this picking this. This was wash day, so my hair was washed. And it turned out great. I love it. 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 It's so cute. Okay, I just love my curls. Okay, get a hold of yourself. So this is the final look. I love it so much. I'm so glad I finally invested in a freaking pick. What has my life been? Where have you been all of my life? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. One last thing, how I did it again is down at the bottom and then I just pulled. Pew, 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 until I reached maximum poof of my liking. And my curls still looked very intact. Yay! Okay. Bye-bye. Pew, 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 pew.